Assalamualaikum warahmatullah and good morning. We will continue with our second lesson for using the project manager cloud-based app. We call this lesson as lesson B, and the material for this lesson is provided. Okay, so as usual, we will need to log in into the project manager app. And let's create a new project. So to create a new project, we click on the new button, okay, and click on new project. Okay, we have the option of importing a file into our project, and we can import projects on project data set from Excel, but we do need to follow the template of the Excel file. Okay, but at the moment, let's just open up a new one without importing any data. So let's call this as lesson B, and we create the project. Okay, so for lesson B, we'll be referring to this lesson B document. Okay, so you have two sheets in the Excel document. The first sheet is for the instructions on the things that we want to do inside the software, and then the second sheet is a data set sheet. It contains all the data that we will be using. Alright, so first thing what we want to do is that we want to enter the tasks. Okay, so for this lesson, let's try, instead of typing manually inside the tasks on the data sheet, instead let's try to just do a copy and paste. Okay, so let's copy the two columns here. Okay, copy two columns, task name and planned duration. Okay, we won't be able to copy WBS here because WBS is automatically generated by the software, so we don't copy and paste the WBS numbering. Predecessor, for the software requires a row number for the predecessor, but our data is giving the name of the task, so we won't be copying and pasting predecessor. So let's just copy the task name and plan duration columns. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, so let's copy and paste it. Okay, to paste, click on the first row. So now the first row is highlighted, and then just press the Control V shortcut. Okay, and then it will open up this pop-up. It will open up the pop-up, and it will ask you which column do you want to assign from the data that we just copied. Okay, so we copied the two rows, task name and plan duration. So when we paste it, we will select the column which is related to it. So the first one is the task name, and then the second column is the duration. Alright, so duration, and then it asks us, does your file include a header row? Okay, yes, because we have copied the header row as well, task name and plan duration. So let's click yes. Okay, and then we can click on save. Please set a mapping for, okay, I didn't choose column 2 mapping, so it's duration, and click on save. Okay, so now we can see that we have successfully pasted the tasks and the duration. Alright, so it's a very easy way of keying in data if our data is already somewhat organized. Okay,